And we find ourselves very often dealing with what we refer to the early stage ping pong shit show, where we design something, we needed to send it off to someone else for evaluation. You wait for a couple of weeks, you get some feedback, and it mostly looks something like this. You get a PDF with some graphics saying, here's everything that's wrong with what you made. And it's back to the drawing board, changing things, and then updating again and again and again. So let's be clear. BIM and CAD changed how we draw, but not really how we think and how we're expected to hold all this complexity. They show us what is there, and they help us document, but they can't actually tell us what's working. So it becomes obvious that the problem isn't visioning, it's more related to actual tooling. So what if we could offer architects something new? A system with real-time feedback that tells you live as you're designing if it's actually feasible, if it's complying with building code. That is what we envision for Spacio. It's a design tool in the browser made by architects for architects, where setup times that usually used to take days now take seconds, where you get these fully 3D contextual models with proper terrain, contextual elements, property boundaries, and everything. It allows you to instantly start sketching and testing the feasibility and different concepts at your site. We see here the manual tools of defining the volumes of the building. And the platform works in this way that it helps you to automate and do placements of core positions, get the schematics facades, it distributes units inside the buildings. Here, instead of manually drawing up, we're using the generative system of the platform, where you can easily test out different configuration. You can also go in and apply rules and thresholds and saying we have a maximum site use to utilize. Everything, all the changes that you make is updated in real time, so you get all your KPIs and metrics. Here we see them filtered by building typology and building class. Let's say you're designing a residential block. You have a specific unit mix target that you need to fit. Spacio then helps you to optimize the distribution and tell you where you need to distribute accordingly. And something that usually would take days or hours and hours of work, you can quickly and easily get done and testing really quickly.